Hey family, it has been about 4 years with this set of locks, and I haven't given you an update in ages. And I still do things with my hair, not as often as I would like to, but I am still out here doing things with my hair. Maybe not for long because I literally did this style for a day and I didn't set it, I didn't blow dry it, but it did what it needed to do. And I just needed it to look cute for one event for a few hours, and I knew I was coming home to take it out. I just knew it. In this season of my locks, especially this is my second set of sister locks, I do not style my hair as much. I am tender headed. This is me literally the same night taking my hair down. I just knew I could not keep this in. But I've done this style multiple times before. It's just that my hair is a lot longer since the last time I've done this style. And if I'm not mistaken, I'll try and put it up. This is the same style that I usually do, just flat twist to the side, and then I'll curl the leave out section. So I think I have this video like two different ways on my page. So if you ever want to see what it was like and at different lengths, how this look is achieved, it's the flat twist all the way up style. But my hair has come such a long way. This was actually on my first set of sister locks. I believe this was already combined at this point. So then I considered them micro locks, but hey, things have changed. And this set that I have here turned 4 in May of this year. We've come a long way, and I really love this set. It's my favorite set so far. This was about my second or third retight with this set. So we have come such a long way, and I'm very thankful for all the things that I've learned on this journey. And I'm definitely going to answer some questions if you have any questions. Give you guys some life updates because there are some updates coming soon. I'm forever moving. I don't even live in Florida anymore. I'm in a whole new state. The kids are thriving. Hubby is doing well. I'm doing well. And I'm trying to do more with my hair. I did color my hair a few months ago, and I am back to jet black. So that is a whole another story that I definitely need to dive in on. But leave your questions below. I will update you all really soon. And I know I have some questions in my Instagram DMs that I'm gonna jump into that too, probably in the next video, because as low maintenance as I am with my hair, I'm also preparing my hair to thrive through my next postpartum journey coming up. So I have a few months to go before that happens, and I'm gonna take you along on how I plan on saving as much of my hair as possible, because postpartum shedding is ultimately what made me cut my first set of locks. See you soon.